Hey everybody, if your mobile network is switching to 2G automatically and you want to fix that issue, in today's video we are going to guide you through the method, so let's just dive right in. So first of all, we can try enabling the VoLTE voice over LTE in our settings. So go to settings and open it up, go to connections and look out for mobile networks and then find the option for VoLTE. So ensure this option is turned on right here if it is not, and you can close this off for now. Apart from that, what you can do is you can choose your network mode. So go to settings for that and go to connections once again. Look out for mobile networks and tap on it. And look out for network mode and tap on it. And then you can just go and select 4G, recommended, or LTE, GSM auto, etc. That is also possible. Apart from that, you can restart your phone sometimes. So you can hold the power button for that. Look out for the restart option. That should also temporarily clear out the temporary glitches. Also look out for airplane mode. Look out for the flight mode option. You can turn it on and off to force a network registration as well. And apart from that, you can see if the issue follows the SIM card or stays with the phone as well. Sometimes that may also happen. Or when your signals are poor, the 4G network drops and drops to 2G or 3G for better stability. So you can check it out as well. Usually, those are the solutions. Sometimes heavy traffic can also cause such kind of error, but usually you may follow up the solutions to fix it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.